Common issues with Awardwallet sync accounts can be frustrating and disrupt your ability to track your loyalty programs and travel rewards. To help you resolve these issues, we will guide you through a step-by-step process to identify and fix problems with your sync accounts. First, it is essential to understand how Awardwallet syncs your accounts. Awardwallet uses your login credentials to connect to your loyalty program accounts and retrieve your current balance and account information. If there is an issue with your sync account, it may be due to incorrect login credentials, changes to your account, or issues with the loyalty program's website. To troubleshoot issues with your sync account, start by checking your login credentials. Ensure that your username and password are correct and match the credentials you use to log into your loyalty program account. If you have recently changed your password, you will need to update your credentials in Awardwallet. Another common issue is when a loyalty program's website is experiencing technical difficulties or has changed its login process. In this case, Awardwallet may not be able to sync your account. Check the loyalty program's website to see if there are any known issues or if they have implemented new security measures that may be blocking Awardwallet from accessing your account. It is also important to check your account settings in Awardwallet. Ensure that your account is set up correctly and that you have authorized Awardwallet to access your loyalty program account. You can do this by going to your account settings and checking the box next to the loyalty program you are having issues with. In some cases, you may need to reauthorize Awardwallet to access your loyalty program account. This can be done by removing the account from Awardwallet and then re-adding it. This will prompt you to re-enter your login credentials and authorize Awardwallet to access your account. To prevent issues with your sync accounts, it is best to regularly review your account settings and login credentials. This will help you catch any issues before they become a problem. Additionally, keeping your login credentials up to date and ensuring that you have authorized Awardwallet to access your loyalty program account will help prevent sync issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve common issues with your Awardwallet sync accounts and ensure that your loyalty program accounts are always up to date. Remember to stay vigilant and regularly review your account settings to prevent issues and maximize the benefits of using Awardwallet to track your loyalty programs and travel rewards.